Today in the livestock market, everything was in the green. Things were up all the way across the board. Cattle was higher. Those falling grain prices really did give the market a boost there, some support. The futures did stay inside that August channel, though, that we've been experiencing for the last month, but clearly we are on the higher side. It seems that for the last number of weeks even, that there has been like a daily choppy trade where one day the market rallies, the next day the market starts to break, and it's just gone back and forth like that. And it just almost seems that there's just no way for us to really have any market direction at this point right now. I think the tighter supplies are still going to be a factor of somewhere down the road, but right now it's just not showing it. But we are on the high side now. The CVOL today is at 15.8%, which is kind of like the lower end of where we have been as of late. The feeders did surge though, so that might be a little bit of a tell for the market. Certainly on the beef side, the traders were expecting a more friendly cattle on feed report today, so we'll see what happens when those numbers come out, and that will give us a little bit of direction for a Monday morning, and perhaps we'll continue the momentum that we got. But we certainly broke out of the channel and the range that we've had. The October futures did hit a new high at 167.9. All months were really higher across the board, so the market looks pretty strong. I know box beef prices were higher, and with feeders leading the way, that could be a little bit of a tell for what's happening with beef. The lean hogs also were higher. They did firm up. The futures did rebound off of yesterday's low. Now, yesterday's low did fill that gap, and so that rebound offering some support. Now the market could be free to start to rally here, but it was pretty strong today. It did make a new recent high. Tighter supplies still add to the support of that market. Futures are kind of creating a small little channel for the week. But we are at the high side there. Now the CVAL did jump up a little bit to 31.55%, which is significant. So now that we know that we're off that low that we hit last week, it seems that we're building some support now, and clearly those futures were a little bit oversold. And as we're coming in today, everything looks pretty positive to end this week.